Gaps in knowledge within excessive alcohol use among college students. College-age individuals show a gap in knowledge due to their high prevalence of binge drinking and excessive alcohol consumption. Prevalence is defined as the number of cases of a disease during a period of time. According to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, or the CDC, college students ages 18 to 24 have an estimated of 1,825 total deaths each year due to unintentional injuries involving excessive alcohol consumption, such as car accidents and driving under the influence and overintoxication. The high prevalence of binge drinking shows that college students may not be as knowledgeable on possibly what is considered a standard drink size or how many drinks they should be having during a given period of time, such as a drink size would be like the size of a glass of wine, a shot, or a can of beer, and then how many drinks they would have during a given period of time would be like one drink per hour, two drinks per a given period of time. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services states that 58% of college students report drinking alcohol, and 37.9% of those who drink participate in binge drinking. This information even more clearly shows that not only do more than half of the college students drink, but many are binge drinking. Next, another gap in knowledge would be the pattern of data collection and research provided by some reputable sources that I've found. For example, the CDC describes gender and age, but they do not specifically separate rates by ethnicity or geographic location. An example would be this diagram from the CDC where it shows who binge drinks only by age. If data were provided about how possibly ethnicity, culture, and geographic location might play a role in affecting prevalence would give us an insight on how to better allocate resources in dealing with the issue at hand. Lastly, excessive alcohol consumption continues to be a battle far from over. It also contributes to the deaths of many college students every year. The main reasons that excessive alcohol consumption continues to be an issue among college students is because of the lack of knowledge about drinking in moderation, standard drink sizes, and the responsibilities needed to be taken while drinking alcohol, such as calling an Uber or having a designated driver. For these reasons, $100 million is much needed to prevent the prevalence of excessive alcohol consumption among college students in the United States. This problem can be more easily preventable through health education, and with the funding, many lives can be saved. This concludes our presentation.